Hi guys, welcome to week 4 of Advanced Portfolio with Mrs. Williams. This slideshow is going to be very short because we are continuing what we were working on last week. And so it's a continuation of a project, which means you guys should already know what you're doing for the most part. This week we will, just to reiterate, again, we're going to go back to sketching 5 prompts because it's something new every single day. And we are going to do our artist spotlight page again. Those have been looking lovely. Great job with that. And you're going to continue on your altered self portrait. Last week I really pushed that had to be done in pencil. This week I'm saying you guys know what is best and what you're capable of. For me as an artist, sometimes it's faster to do something in watercolor or acrylic than it is in graphite. So just know what you're good at and stick to that as long as it's done semi-realistically, because we do have to recognize at least one facial feature. Awesome. Just reminders, just in case, of what we're doing for the week, how to do your artist spotlights. And this week by Monday, you should be taking your reference photo for whatever you're going to be doing. If it is a edited photo, as in there's something warped or melting, I want you to edit that all by yourself, which is why it would be really hard to do one of those as an online student. If you need help with Photoshop or getting to edit something, please let me know as soon as possible. From home, if I were in your position, I would stick to either face scan or a reflection because it's easier to take a photo to help you out for your specific circumstance. If you don't have a scanner at home, I would really go for a reflection. You have until next Monday to turn in your piece that's completely done. It does not have to be bigger than a 9 by 12. It cannot be smaller than an 8 by 10 though. So those are your two big choices right now. I don't want you to get too caught up in doing something massive. We just want to get this into our portfolio and move on. All right, when I'm grading it, I am going to be looking for 3 thumbnails. And I am going to be looking for 1 realistic facial feature. And last but not least, you will have this entire week, and you're going to have Monday as well. I think that's a little wrong on this slide, but you guys know the drill. You'll have this week and the upcoming Monday. There we are. All right, guys, that is it, and I will see you around. Have a great week.